Hello everyone, today I have a review of another very original French folding knife made by Powell Company. In box, a black pouch with the manufacturer's logo for storing the knife, certificate with knife specification and other information in French, and the knife itself. Total length is 18.6 cm, blade length is 8.6 cm, knife thickness is 2.5 mm, steel is MOX 27CO, it's a high quality stainless steel, the French analog of N690 steel, tempered between 60 to 61 HRC, full flat grind, satin finish. On the blade there is a inscription Powell France, and the logo depicting the letter P in the hexagon. The blade has no thumb stud, hole or nail undercut. The knife is opened with a lever. This is not a friction folder, although at first glance you can think so, due to the previously mentioned protruding element on the blade. However, friction folder knives don't have any lock. Here is the liner lock. The knife runs on beryllium washers. Handle. Scales are made of recycled carbon fiber, but they are also available in various types of wood, including exotic. In summary, a very original knife made in France, designed mainly for light work. Cuts very well, completely stainless and easy to keep clean. The way it opens distinguishes it from other folders. It's an interesting knife and very pleasant to use. That's all in this review. Thanks for watching.